Hi guys, welcome back to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 27. Create perfect arched eyebrows by cleaning up the eye area with an eyebrow razor. The razor removes fine hair and gives the brows a clean, well-groomed look. Makeup artists, I love having an eyebrow razor or facial razor in my professional makeup kit, and I strongly suggest that you have one too. And beauty enthusiasts, I believe you should have one in your makeup bag as well. So these are your eyebrow or facial razors. Now, they come in different sizes. As you can see, this blade is a bit longer, so I love this one, guys, for the overall face. So to clean up on the side, the chin area, around the mouth, it works beautiful. Even between the eyebrows, this one's okay. But companies also manufacture smaller razors, which they probably will call this one an eyebrow razor, not so much facial, because it is a lot tinier. So you can really go in and work underneath the brow and above and just have a lot more precision. Remember, the size of the razor matters. The bigger the tool, the more surface area you're going to cover. The smaller the tool, the more precision you will have. There are a few reasons why I love using a facial or eyebrow razor. One, it's very time efficient. Makeup artists, if you're in a pinch and you notice that your client has an unruly eyebrow area, or they just want a little bit of cleanup, they want a little extra hair removal, an eyebrow razor is the way to go. Another reason why I love using an eyebrow razor is that it's perfect for male grooming. If you're working with men that need a little bit of cleanup in the eyebrow area, or the facial hair area like the beard or the mustache, the eyebrow razor or facial razor is the perfect tool. Using the eyebrow razor is a really easy way to clean up a man's eyebrows. You just use the razor in between the eyes to remove some fine hair above and maybe a little bit below. It's the perfect tool to ensure that you're not giving your guy a very sharp arch. You're not giving him a feminine look. You're just cleaning up some unwanted hair. The third reason why I love using a brow razor is because it is great for overall fine facial hair. So if you have a client that has some fine peach fuzz or some hair in areas that she doesn't want, like the mustache area, the chin, the brow or facial razor is a great tool to very quickly clean up those areas. Another thing, makeup artists, that you want to keep in mind that these razors are not reusable. In other words, you don't want to use a razor that you've used on yourself on another person. That's not sanitary and it's not hygienic. I personally use these razors on my own face and I love the result, especially in the summer when I'm outside a lot and you can see like a lot of peach fuzz. This is a great tool to make sure, ladies, that you have beautiful, smooth skin. And lastly, a really great extra when you use a facial razor is that you're actually exfoliating your skin as well. Remember, you're gently going over the skin. You don't want to dig into, because it is a razor and you can cut yourself. So you want to be really careful. But the cool thing is that as you're removing that fine facial hair, you're also removing dead skin cells. So you'll notice when you use a facial or eyebrow razor on a regular basis that your skin will be clear, smoother, and just feel absolutely beautiful. Well, guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Drop me a line down below. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you can see all of the Makeup Tip Mondays that are coming up. I'll see you next week here at MakeupClasses.com for another Makeup Tip Monday. Bye, everyone.